Filipino pop sensation SB19 arrived at the Grammy Museum today, much to the excitement of their dedicated fans in the United States. The group, known for their catchy hits and impressive performances, drew a crowd of eager fans waiting to catch a glimpse of the idols in person. Fans lined up early in the morning, eager to see SB19's arrival. The group was greeted with cheers and applause as they stepped out of their vehicles and made their way into the museum. The group is set to perform a special set at the museum, showcasing their talents and connecting with their international audience. This visit marks a significant milestone for SB19 as they continue to gain global recognition and bring Filipino music to a wider stage. Their glam team was also spotted arriving at the venue.
No, it looks really good. How many?
Hello!
Kita na naman tayo. Bilis!
Pablo!
Ay!
Hi!
Hi, Justin!
Hi, Stone! Hi, Ken!
My God.